I'm Gabia Gatavetskeite with today's Indo Campaign Daily Update. Simon Harris and Micheál Martin ran into each other while on the election trail in Killorglin. The two men shook hands after a week of tearing lumps out of each other and criticising each other's party's policies. The two leaders are focusing on the Grey vote, promising to raise the pension to €350. Sinn Féin said they will put in place a year's leave for parents so they can spend the first year with their baby. This will also take pressure off the childcare system, according to party TD Louise O'Reilly. Meanwhile, Aontú is targeting up to 10 seats in the general election and said it wants to be in government, running 43 candidates in total for the election. The party's leader and only TD, Paolo Tobin, said the party will not enter coalition talks with Fine Gael or the Greens, but the door is open to all the other parties.
Every single constituency in the country will have an Aontú candidate in this general election. This is a first for our single political party, and I think it's a really big step for us in this election. It means that we can challenge the government in every single ballot box across the country.
Green Party leader Roderick O'Gorman said TD Francis Noel Duffy was vindicated when he objected to the development of 330 new homes next to his own house.
And in this situation, the inspector from on board Pleanála actually agreed with Francis's position that the homes here what was proposed here was in breach of the local area plan.
Labour launched its defence plan, saying it will review pay and pensions and protect Irish neutrality. Also, watch out for two major interviews from different ends of the political spectrum in tomorrow's Sunday Independent and online on the Irish Independent. Taoiseach Simon Harris speaks to Niamh Hoare in a deeply personal and detailed interview, while Ali Bracken grills Dublin Central candidate and infamous crime figure Jerry the Monk Hutch on his plans for the campaign and who he is prepared to work with if he is elected.
What do you think of comparisons to you and Donald Trump?
Oh, don't go there.
No comparison?
No.
There's also the first of 3 Crime World podcast episodes with the Monk, dropping on Sunday morning, hosted by Nicola Tallant and Niall Donald. Follow all election 2024 coverage on the Irish Independent.